Hey everyone, 2025 Mazda B2200 pickup truck marks the return of an iconic nameplate, blending Mazda's signature design philosophy with modern performance and practicality. As small trucks gain popularity among urban drivers and off-road enthusiasts alike, the new B2200 arrives with the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and technology. Mazda has taken inspiration from its heritage while integrating cutting-edge features that make this truck stand out in the crowded midsize pickup segment. One of the most striking aspects of the 2025 B2200 is its exterior styling. Mazda has applied its Kodo design language, which emphasizes flowing lines and an athletic stance. The truck features a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork that exudes a sense of motion even when parked. Unlike traditional boxy pickups, the B2200 embraces a sleeker, more refined look without sacrificing the ruggedness needed for off-road adventures. The extended and crew cab configurations ensure that buyers have options suited for both work and lifestyle needs. Under the hood, the B2200 comes with a 2.2-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 250 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This powerplant is mated to either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, catering to both traditionalists and those seeking convenience. Mazda has also developed a hybrid variant, combining a smaller 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor for improved fuel efficiency without compromising performance. With an estimated fuel economy of 28 mpg combined, the B2200 is one of the most efficient trucks in its class. The truck's driving dynamics set it apart from the competition. Mazda has long been known for its engaging handling, and the B2200 is no exception. The finely tuned suspension, precise steering, and well-balanced chassis provide a ride that feels more like a sporty SUV than a typical pickup. For those who enjoy weekend adventures, an optional all-wheel drive system enhances traction on rugged terrain, while a dedicated off-road mode adjusts throttle response and suspension settings to handle challenging conditions. Inside, the cabin reflects Mazda's commitment to premium materials and modern technology. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch materials, high-quality upholstery, and ergonomic seating make long drives comfortable, whether for work or leisure. The B2200 also includes advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Mazda has designed the B2200 with versatility in mind. The truck bed is equipped with multiple tie-down points, a 120 volts power outlet, and an optional built-in storage system, making it a practical choice for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday drivers. The towing capacity is rated at 6,500 pounds, making it more than capable of handling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. With a starting price of around $30,000, the 2025 Mazda B2200 is positioned competitively in the midsize truck market. It appeals to those who want a stylish, fuel-efficient, and fun-to-drive pickup without sacrificing utility. Whether used for work, city commuting, or weekend getaways, the B2200 is a well-rounded option that brings a refreshing take on what a modern truck should be. Mazda has successfully revived a classic nameplate while ensuring it meets the demands of today's drivers.